So if Steam keeps saying your friend's network is unreachable, don't worry, it's usually a connection issue, and here's how to fix it fast. Step 1. Restart Steam completely. Close it from the system tray, then relaunch it. A quick reset often clears the problem. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to Ethernet if you can, or restart your router. Step 3. Clear system or Steam cache data. On Windows, go to your Steam shortcut, right-click Properties, and in Launch option, type -TCP. That forces Steam to use a more stable connection. Step 4, if that doesn't work, clear the web browser cache inside Steam. Open Settings inside Steam, and then go to web browser, and then delete cache cookies. And last, make sure your VPN or firewall isn't blocking Steam. Sometimes just whitelisting Steam in Windows Firewall or turning off the VPN fixes instantly. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.